Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Today let's see how to make Neer Dosa. So, in a bowl I am going to take about two cups of rice. Into it I'll be adding some water and wash it nicely. Another bowl. I'm going to just I'll show you. You can do it. Take some more water and pour into the rice, washed rice, and soak it for about 6 to 8 hours. After draining it, transfer it into a mixer grinder. We will pour some water. Pour water till the rice is completely immersed in it. We will go ahead and grind it into fine paste. Okay, now into it I am going to add about 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut into it. Right, now into it we will be adding some more water and then mix it again, grind it well. Okay, now it is ready. Okay, now we will pour this batter into a bowl. Add about 1 teaspoon salt. Pour water so that the batter will loosen a little. After mixing it, you can still feel the batter is a little thick. So I'm going to pour more water. Alright, we have got sufficient loose batter. See, it is all running. This is the consistency we need. It is loosened so well because we put plenty of water in it. Since water is called Neer, that is the reason why it is called Neer Dosa. We will go ahead and keep this aside. Pan is nice and hot. Just have to take one ladle. And allow it to cook. Make sure the flame is very slow. Once you can see that the top of the Neer Dosa starts to cook, that's when we will come to know. The sides will also start to leave. You can see that it has started to leave the sides. Stick it out once it is cooked. Just place it on a plate or a leaf. And gently fold in. There you go. Our Neer Dosa is ready. Delicious Neer Dosa is now ready to be served with your favorite chutney. Friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please do let me know how it turned out. Do try it out. It's fantastic. And also do let me know once you try it how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day to everybody. Bye.